Do you struggle making masculine cards? Well, we have the perfect card making kit for you. I'm super excited to share our Rustic Outdoors card making kit. And we have some fabulous designers lined up sharing all kinds of cards using this kit. I will have the links down in the description box for you. Let's take a closer look at this gorgeous kit. You're going to get a 6x6 paper pad called Grit and Grunge. I love the texture. I love how this paper looks full of texture and grit and grunge, but it's just flat 6x6 paper. So gorgeous paper. You're gonna get 4 of each design. Beautiful grungy patterns. Okay, so this is my pack. I've used some of the sheets on my cards here. I'll share those in a minute. You get a pack of coordinating enamel dots, and these enamel dots don't have any of the glitter in them. We've kept it on the masculine side so you can make some great masculine cards. It comes with this awesome 4x6 stamp set called the Great Outdoor Sentiments. We have everything from hiking to camping to fishing. I love these sentiments. We've got keep calm and go fishing. I love fishing. The best memories are made hiking. You are my greatest adventure. Camping is my therapy. Wonder where the Wi-Fi is weak. Come get lost with me. Escape to the unknown. Always take the scenic route. So I really love that. Do have some extra paper and ephemera listed individually, so if you needed to grab extras or just wanted to get the paper and the ephemera, that is available as well. So let's take a look at the ephemera. We've got 2 of each design in here. I'm going to pop in a few photos from the design team and our guest designers so you can get some different ideas on how you're going to use these ephemera pieces. So I love how Gianna cut the ephemera out in a circle and arranged them on her card. We've got beautiful outdoorsy images that have a watercolor feel to them. Fishing, some different styles of fishing. We've got hiking, kayaking, and I will have these all laid out in a photo for you. You can look at that on the website as well. There's camping. All right, so let's take a look at my cards really quick. And they're all the same size. If you wanted to mass produce your cards and do an assembly line style, you can cut all your mats the same size since these are all the same size. And let me get a ruler so I can measure that out for you. So these measure 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. So you can cut out a frame at 2 1/2 for a smaller frame, and then you can do a bigger frame if you want, like I did on this card here. So I have the Come Get Lost With Me sentiment, and I did a bunch of strips using a Lawn Fawn die. I took 3 sheets of paper and just mixed and matched on all 3 cards. And then I have the enamel dots on here. You also can purchase the enamel dots separately, so if you wanted to grab extra or just purchase these enamel dots, they're called Grunge and Grit. This one, Keep Calm and Go Fishing. I love that because inside the word keep calm is some little waves at the top. So I thought of a neat idea after the fact, but you can kind of, if you wanted to ink on some distress ink or something like that at the bottom, so it looks like this is underwater, that would be super, super cool. And then this one says, "You are my greatest adventure." Love that. So this would be just a great like anniversary card or like birthday card for your husband or boyfriend. I really love this. I hope you guys will get inspired to create some masculine cards using our Rugged Outdoors card making bundle. I will have all the links in the description box for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.